Right, hello, this is a Photoshop tutorial showing you mainly two advanced Photoshop tools, basically the cropping tool and the brushes. Right, I'll start by opening my digital camera image. This is a JPEG file and this is the Photoshop PSD file. Right, here's my digital camera image. Right, what you simply do is click on this tool. It's called magnetic lasso tool. You simply click anywhere, any point on the body, and then you should see a square. This means that your image that's the first point where you've started cropping your image. So what you do is you just simply go slowly around it like this. If you make a mistake, you can simply, like I have, you can simply press the delete key and it will take you a step back. It's good if your image has a high resolution, as it will be less pixelated, and when it comes to cropping it will be a lot easier. So as you can see, I'm just slowly going around it. The more time you take, obviously, the more accurate. The good thing about Photoshop is that it has so many tools, so you can do several things with an image or images. Right, now you can see that I've clearly got my cropped selected image over here, so I'll just press Ctrl X. So now I can transfer this onto a new document. Right, the size I'll have here about A4, so it should be 21 by 29. Right, now I'll just paste the image. Here's the image. You can move it any way you want, so I'll move it over here. Right, now the second thing I wanted to show you was the brushes tool, so I'll show you that now. Right, what you do, there's several websites that provide several varieties of Photoshop brushes, so I'll go on a popular one, Brush Easy. Right, as you can see, this is the website homepage. It's got many varieties of brushes, different types of brushes over here, and you're able to choose any one you like. So I'll choose any. I'll choose this one. Right, now what you can do is you can either check the preview to see whether it fits under your what you expect, or you can just simply straight away click on the download button. So I'll do that. Right, you now save the file somewhere appropriate, so I'll save it on my USB. Right, what you now do is go to the location where you've saved the file. So I've saved it here, and you should get a zip file. What you simply do is click on extract here. Right, this is the file you're looking for. This is a JPEG image, just showing you, a sample of how the brushes will look like. This is the main file that you need. It's the ABR file. What you do is you just simply drag it onto the Photoshop program and just let go. Your brushes should now be installed. So what you simply do is just click on the brush tool, and you can check by clicking on the drop down menu. Right, you'll now see that you have all the brushes that you just installed, which are here, and the other brushes that have been pre-installed, which are here. So what I'll do, I'll click on any one. I'll click on this one. You can change the size. You can make it bigger if you want. You can make it smaller. So yeah, you also have the option to change the color if you wish, so I'll just change it to this. And now what you simply do, you just click once and there's your brush, there's the cloud you want. You can do it however many times you want, as you can see here. Another good thing about Photoshop is that you're able to have several layers, which simply means that you can move, say for example my image is one layer and the clouds are another layer. I can move each of these images separately, independently. And yeah, that's about it. Thank you very much.